Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanskar and today I've come up with a very easy recipe of vegan chocolate cake. Vegan cake or vegan food is something wherein we don't use dairy products or milk products. This is prepared out of non-dairy products and you can see how perfectly soft and spongy it has turned out. The sponge just looks perfect. This is a very good recipe for vegan people and you can see the sponge has turned out so soft and tender. So do watch the video till end for full recipe. Before we prepare the batter, let's just grease our cake tin or cake mold with some oil. I'm using a silicone brush. Then we'll sprinkle 1 teaspoon of plain flour or maida in it and we'll spread it all over so that it's well coated with the flour. We'll also use a parchment paper. Now let's just start preparing the batter. For that, we'll take 1 cup of lukewarm water in a bowl. This water is not hot, this is lukewarm. To this, we'll add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Using a hand whisk, we'll dissolve it well in the water. To this, we'll add half teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Then in a sieve, we'll take 1.5 cup of plain flour or maida. To this, we'll add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of soda bicarb or baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll sift all these dry ingredients together in a sieve so that some air gets incorporated into this mixture. Then in the same sieve, we'll take 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. You can change the quantity of sugar if you want. We'll sift this as well. Then we'll add half cup of refined oil. This is vegetable oil. You're not supposed to use any flavored oil, so make sure you use neutral oil. Then we'll start mixing our wet and dry ingredients together by using the cut and fold method. I'm using a spatula for this. We are not supposed to use a hand whisk at this stage of mixing because that will overmix our batter and that is what we don't want. Cut and fold method makes sure that there is no flour stuck to the edges. So yeah, our batter is almost done. Just before pouring the batter in the cake tin, we'll add 1 teaspoon of synthetic white vinegar so that it reacts with soda bicarb. We'll fold it in as well. So yeah, now our batter is ready to be poured in the cake tin. So now we'll pour our batter in the cake tin. You can see the consistency of the batter. We'll pat it twice or thrice to remove any air trapped. Since we are making it without oven, so we've preheated this frying pan on low flame for 10 minutes. We'll place this cake tin in the frying pan, we'll cover it and we'll bake it for 45 to 50 minutes on low flame. If baking in oven, then bake it 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. So our cake is baked. Once the cake is done, we'll insert a toothpick or a knife to check whether it is done or not. If it comes out clean, means it is done. We'll let it rest for half an hour or so. Then we'll clear the edges with a knife to demold it. We'll put a plate and we'll flip it. We'll pat on the back and we'll take off the mold. It's demolded so easily. We'll flip it over again. So our cake is ready to be cut. You can see how perfectly soft and spongy it has turned out. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section that how it turned out for you. And also let me know if you want more vegan recipes. If you liked the video, then do hit the like button, share my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, see you guys with another video. Till then, bye.